How's it going on, everybody? Welcome back to the programming world of Python, right? So let's dive in. Okay, I hope you have installed all the necessary environment in your computer. I'm going to use VS Code, Visual Studio Code, as an IDE for this video tutorial.
How's it going on, everybody? Hope you guys are enjoying your day. On this beautiful day, I'm going to share something, okay? Mastering Python, a complete beginner to advanced guide, right? So let's begin. And before delving into today's course, I assume that everyone has installed Python on your computer, on your machine, right? On your system. If you haven't installed it, please check out this video for Python installation guide. So I assume that you have already installed your latest version of Python on your computer, and I will be using VS Code, right? Visual Studio Code for Python. There are other working environment as well, like Jupyter Notebook, and another we have Python as well by JetBrains, right? You can install any of those working environment, right? Python interpreting environment. So let's begin today's full course, Mastering Python, a complete beginner to advanced guide, right? So before that, I will be creating a repository on my GitHub, and I'll be giving you all the source code. If you want all the source code that I have been programming recently, you can visit the description section of our video. In order to access all the source codes, you can go on my GitHub account. It is GitHub repositories. You can follow me on GitHub, and here you can access all the source codes. And you want or something just like that. Okay, so let's begin our I just need to sign in, right? Sign in into your GitHub account, create a repository, and after that you will get to know. Okay, so my user ID is homepage. Unity authentication. Yeah, you can access all the source code from my GitHub account, right? You can simply go on GitHub, github.com, and search my profile, right? So github.com. You can simply search khom, right? You can access all the source code from here. Okay, my repositories. I have so many repositories, and let me give you a short idea. Okay, Python complete course. Okay, so here you have a lot of things, right? These are all the things that you can go on to do. Okay, let me create a new repository, and it's Python. Okay, let me tell you, mastering Python. Okay, so I have something here as well, right? So mastering Python complete guide to something just like that, right? So this is I'll give it private for now. A license, you can simply choose MIT license or something just like that. It's great, right? So this is how, and you just need to go over here, click here, and copy this. You have other options as well, right? So I just need to clone. You just need to clone it on your environment, right? On your system. So this is how. Let me choose of file, right? So I have already installed my Python programming, Python on my computer. So today, this is a new work, new tasks, new day, and Merry Christmas to everyone, every people all around the world, right? Today is 25th December. Merry Christmas. Woo! Okay, so mastering Python, right? MASTERING mastering Python or something just like that. Okay, you can simply use Git bash here, right? You can download Git from your browser. Download Git. yeah, githcm.com, right? You just go here. You can download on your system, whether you have Mac, Windows, Linux, or Unix, right? I'll be sharing how to download on your Windows machine, right? So git clone https :/github.com/git/git, right? This is how you can click over here and you can simply download Git. Whether your standalone installer for 32-bit Git for Windows setup and 64-bit Git for Windows setup, or you can use portable thumb drive edition as well. Both available 32-bit as well as 64, available for both 32-bit and 64-bit Windows, right? So you can download Git using Wingit tool as well. Install Wingit tool. You can simply click over here and see Wingit tool, right? Use the Wingit tool to install and manage the applications, right? So, and if you don't already have it, you can install Wingit from this website. Then type this command, okay? Wingit install dash id g, okay, git.git git.git -e -source wingit. This is how you can install Git on you using Wingit tool as well. Now what? Now that you have downloaded Git, it's time to start using it, right? Read the book, or you dive into the pro Git book or something on download.ui, or that's it, right? I have already downloaded Git. I hope you have already downloaded the Git in your system, in your machine as well. So let's begin, right? I have already copied. Yeah, you just need to copy it and simply, yeah, what you need to do. Let me repeat it again. First, you need to copy the URL to the clipboard here and simply open Git bash here. I'm going to use Git bash here right now. You are in this folder, right? Your path, you're in this folder right now. So does it work? Yeah, e/new work/mastering Python. You are in this folder right now. Now simply clear it and git clone and clone and paste that URL that you have copied from this website, right? This. So git clone and paste and hit enter. So mastering Python is cloning on your system, right? On your machine, local machine, right? So let's see. Yeah, it's already here. Look, see, mastering Python with Git, right? So you can simply do this way. Git cl, okay, clear, and now cd. Okay, you just need to go to the mastering Python if you inside this folder, okay, cd mastering Python or something just like that, right? So you are now here. Now you can create a new folder, right? mkdir make dir director Python, okay, mastering Python with khom, right? Or something just like that. Then you have mastering Python with khom folder as well, right? cd mastering Python with khom or something just like that. Okay, nothing else here. Okay, simply you can now check the status. Okay, your branch is already clean. You don't have to do anything further, right? So now you just open your Visual Studio Code, right? So I've installed my Visual Studio Code over here. Visual Studio Code, this is Visual Studio Code, right? You can install Visual Studio Code from this website, Visual Studio Code, right? I've already it's taking a lot of time right now, right? So this is Visual Studio Code. Code.visualstudio.com, right? This is the official website of Visual Studio Code. You can simply go and download on your local machine, right? You can click here and you download for Windows or Mac OS or whatever Linux or whatever machines you have, whatever operating system you have on your PC, right? Okay, cancel this file. Okay, code executive, skip this file, installation or something just like that. I have a problem over here. I don't know what problem is arising right now. I think I need to open a new window and get started. So now you need to open that folder you are going to use for programming, right? Okay, what's that program? I have that in my new work, right? New work, and it's mastering Python, and you can select this folder and simply open this, and this is how you can Okay, you just need to trust. You just need to click yes, I trust the authors, right? So this is how you're um, you're you're ready to go. Let's dive in, right? Okay, this is what we are going to do on today's programming world, right? So let's begin. Something more. Hope you guys are having a great time right now. Today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy viewers all around the world, right? So this has been a great time. Wish you have a great day, right? I'll be covering yeah, let me remind you again, guys. I'll be covering the advanced, right, comprehensive Python full course on this video tutorial, right? Python tutorial. Okay, so this is mastering, this is Khom as your Python instructor for this okay video series, right? Python tutorial or complete beginner to advanced guide, right? So let's begin on with Python basics. Let's begin on with Python basics, right? Introduction to Python syntax 1.1. Okay, let me create some folder as well. Okay, I'll be covering 10 topics, right? Okay, so section 1, and another is section 2, right? Section 1, section 2, section 3. I'll be covering SECTI section 1 and Windows 7. Section 1 will be talking on Python basics, PyTSO and Python basics, right? Python basics, and section 2 will be delving into what data structures, data structures, and section 3 will be diving into functions and models, FUNCTIONS functions and models, alias models, right? And section 4 you will be delving into object-oriented programming, OOP, object-oriented programming, right? In section 5 you will be delving into file handling, and section 7 I will be covering error handling as well, and section 7 you will be gaining knowledge on intermediate topics, right? So section 8 you will be talking, okay, I'll be discussing on web development with Flask, web development with Flask, which is optional, right? Flask, which is optional, and number 9 I will be section 9. Under section 9 I'll be giving you some knowledge about data analysis, with pandas, which is also optional for this course to master while mastering Python, right? So, and section 10, we will be dealing with a final project, and these are all the things, right? So you got it. Now we have 10 sections you will be diving into today's comprehensive Python tutorial, right? So let's begin with Python. I have already discussed about the Python programming language, why it has been popular in previous video series as well. Previously, under this section 1, I will be covering first is introduction to Python, intro to Python, right? Okay, this one's first. This is first, and secondly, you'll be gaining that is 1.2. 1.2, you will be diving into control flow, CONTROL, control flow, and 1.2. Section 7. Okay, 7.1. We'll be discussing on decorators. How to use decorators in Python, right? 7.2. You will gain knowledge on how to use generators. This is very important, right? And So 7.3 will be bonus exercise, bonus assignment. If you get it done, then you are ready to battle in the real world, right? So you can gain hands-on experience on working with IT company around there. You can be a pro Python developer. So that's it. And so another thing is each section under section 8 web development with Flask, which is optional for this course, but you can enjoy. Okay, Flask, intro to Flask. Yeah, you'll gain some hands-on knowledge on Flask, how to use and what Flask in Python means, right? So if possible, under 8.2 will be doing a project, Flask project, Flask. Okay, Flask project 2, right? So that's it. And section 9 you will be getting hands-on knowledge on data analysis with pandas, which is optional for this course, right? So 9.1, under 9.1, introduction to pandas. What is pandas in Python? 9.2, application application of pandas. Okay, it's pandas, right? So that's it. And section 10 will be dealing with the final project, building a Python application combining all concepts learned into a practical project. This will be a task for you, and you can comment down what you have done, what you have built, and let me know in the comment section, right? After completing this course, I want to know what you have done and what you have built, right? Okay, so that's it. Until then, let's have a break.